Okay, let's jump right into it. This is Gazelle, the second wave. Gazelle, the first wave, just to recall, was this month-long project with these 3 motivated interns. And that ended a week ago. A new team is being formed. But be that as it may, I will just continue coding because this system will be the best AI website in the world. Mark my words. But we need to add certain things in order to make it click, to make it take off. And here are a few ideas. Speech recognition would be really nice. This is supposed to be a system of smart chatbots, so definitely I want to just talk into this window. Right, and I do have a prototype for this, which is on the Cruddy website. For now it's for Chrome only, because Chrome has this built-in speech recognition. We can later do things also for other browsers. There are ways to do that. It's just more coding work. But first I want to just copy and paste this here to the Gazelle website. Is this still working?
Is this still working?
Looks like it is.
Looks like a dance.
Looks like it is.
Looks like it is.
Yep, not perfect, but the usual 2020 speech recognition. Not perfect, but getting there. So let's check out the code for Cruddy. Oh, by the way, I'm controlling more Windows stuff from Java. For example, this window, I put it on top of the other windows using my own code, which is this Java native access. That's pretty cool. It's another step in the goal to automate everything from Java. Okay, there are too many windows open here. Here I'm preparing to embed YouTube into the Gazelle website because it's nice to listen to music during the stream, and for copyright reasons I can't just play most of the music I like on stream. So my idea is to just put a link in the chat or somewhere, something like this. It doesn't work yet, but it will. And just by clicking on this link you can see this YouTube embed. And after maybe listening to an ad, if you don't have an ad blocker, you will get the music that I like. So I think this is a very neat idea to circumvent copyright basically for streams. I don't see any reason why this should not work, because you just watch the video on your own browser. It's just normal YouTube usage, and YouTube is full of great music. So that's one of the ideas. That's actually the point 3 here. For that we have to make the YouTube embed visible on every page and not get reloaded when you change the page. There's some HTML magic involved. But let's go step by step. Let's check out the speech recognition code first. Nope. Cruddy live. Where are we? This is the latest one. Yeah, there's a load of JavaScript stuff in here. It's very dense code as always in JavaX. So we're trying to copy this and just take the relevant parts. It has multiple things. It has voice activity detection, which is a pre-step to switch on the speech recognition only when needed. Only when someone is actually talking or seems to be talking. That's a very good idea, because if you leave this listening thing running and nobody's in the room, you will stream audio to Google. That doesn't sound very good. So, I mean, some of this we don't actually need. Maybe it's not that much. That magic. Yeah. Okay. We will reduce this to only the speech recognition part. Only the speech recognition part. And I'm sure we can throw away a lot of stuff here. A frame set. No, we don't need a frame set. We don't need to visualize anything. We don't need to count anything. We don't need any stats. Although this one is cool. Current server temperature. That's just cool. CPU temperature. Thought bot. No, no thoughts, only speech recognition. See, it's already getting shorter. I request. No, we don't need none of that. We don't need no cookies. Just want the JavaScript. We don't need no salt. No chatbot. Okay, this is all voice activity related. We'll keep these. Clean me up plenty. Salt. Salt enabled, who cares? Client IPs, none of that we need. That's for inputting stuff. Nope, we don't need it. Hum, that's this humming sound that indicates that the system is listening to you. We'll keep it in. Google login? Nope, don't need that. Ready speech record demo. Okay, speech output is also a good idea. Sure. We want Gazelle to be a personal digital assistant, so we need voice input and voice output. Sure. Say bot messages. Script. Oh yeah, this takes what the bot says and utters it verbally. And there's the say function. Yeah, we don't need any of this. We just call the say function. There's the say function, okay. Title status, yeah. Not sure. Don't need an image. On bottom, maybe not. Okay. Body speech demo. Does it compile? Almost. Oof. Complicated. Complicated. Star update. What is this more stuff? There you go. More stuff. Oh, it's just an initializer. Yeah, I guess we don't need this one. This is almost impossible to read. So this is some JavaScript here. If we have speech recognition in the browser, we display all of this. Otherwise, this can go. Otherwise, we show nothing, right? This is just a comment. Yes. Let's simplify. Controls. Okay. Oh, this is almost unreadable due to multiple languages being nested inside of each other. JavaX, JavaScript, and HTML. Oof. Ooh. Maybe getting there. It compiles, but it doesn't mean that much. Okay, we just need to link this up in the web server. Here we can just link a new module. in the web server. Speech test cruddy. What is my domain? Cruddy site. Yep. And the ID is cruddy speech demo. Oh, I can't copy and paste, so from the desktop to the server, I have to type 303.10 cruddy speech demo. Is it loaded? What's happening? Didn't recompile. Okay, but first coffee. That may just work. Speech demo, no, speech test, cruddy site. Hello world. Hello there. Okay, submit a message. Yes, this is kind of working. It just doesn't know where to put the recognized speech. This is pretty good. And that stupid humming sound, I think I will initialize to 0. This humming, well, this humming sound is a nice idea, but overall, it's kind of annoying. Okay, submit a message. Okay, if I say stop listening, it stops listening. Otherwise, it will submit. And oh, my headphones are disconnecting. I don't know, it's weird. Low battery, but I charged them. Okay, let's just show a simple text area. Text area. How's it work again? Okay. Name speech text. Windows submit a message is a function with a blah and a thing, and we append the text area. Oh, how did it work again? Like this? Probably not, but let's try. Hello. Almost working. Could use some line breaks. Could use some line breaks. Okay. Yeah, it's going somewhere. Oh, and I said I want volume 0 actually. And just use some divs and some size. Whatever. Just some divs in general. This is my Discord audio bot, a music bot on Discord. And every few hours it seems to fail and require a restart. I'm not sure why that is. I don't know. It's really kind of strange. Oh, always forget to compile. There. There should be a reset button here for the volume field. I am confusion. Oh, it already is 0. Okay. Oh, kind of confusing. Anyway, try again. Oh, there we are. Just listen to me all the time. Whenever I say something. Oh, I forgot. What was that? Some sound? Oh, what? No, 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 no. No.
Schließen. Kopfhörer. Kant. NVD. Okay.
Ah! It's the thing for the blind. What is it called? Voice reader, I forgot what it's called. The tool that blind people use. These tools are not very good. These tools should be improved. Yeah, these tools for the blind should be improved with AI. Because once you switch on this voice reader thing, screen reader, it's called screen reader, it will read basically everything on your screen and never shut up. And it gets annoying quickly. I get that they need the tool, but I want better tools. I want better tools. Much better tools. Really, really good tools. See, the cloud symbol went away because I stopped speaking. So it stopped streaming. Good recognition right now. Good recognition right now. Good job, Chrome. All right. That works actually. That works actually. So now I want to put it on the website. Yeah, it's a general question. Do we use frame sets? Frame sets are kind of very, very old school. Or how do we keep things on this page while the user is browsing? Because if I click here, if I click anywhere, I'll get a new page. And then this chatbot is loaded again, but it will disappear while stuff is loading. So we really do not want to have this speech recognition part to disappear on a page change. I did something on Stack Overflow, in fact. Excuse me. Okay, no answer yet. I asked how to do this professionally to reload a page or change a page and keep stuff on the page. Because there are lots of tricky little problems probably. All the scripts that are loaded have to be handled properly. It's probably going to be a nightmare. But I really don't want to do frame sets. It's so ugly. I mean, on the other hand, it is a simple and quick solution. Okay, let's do the smart page refresh. Something like this here. Prove. We have a new user. Oh, nice. Robot, please help me. Oh, robot, help me. Oh, we want scrolling actually. Scroll text area to bottom. Yep. It actually works now, that's cool. Okay. Now it should scroll. Scroll down. Test, test, test. Test, hello. Oh, I broke the bug. What? What's happening? Hmm. Something wrong with my JavaScript. It's not appending at all. What's happening? Hello world. Again. And again. Test me. And again. Hello. I don't know, after I added something manually, it doesn't append anymore? Are you kidding me? Test me. You can do better. Oh. Test 1. Test 2. Test 3. Test 4. Test 5. Well, now it is angry with me. What is happening? I don't get this. As soon as I type something, it's not happy anymore. Also, let's do something else. Let's just put the cursor to the end. jQuery move caret to end of text. Yep. Heh. Uh-huh. Wow, that's complicated. It can't be that complicated to move the cursor in a text area. Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. Okay, apparently it is a little difficult. Okay. Who cares? Let's add that. Focus end. Helper to move caret to end of text area. As I used to say, this is what programmers get paid for. This kind of complicated code to do something that seems really simple. Just move the cursor to the end. So straightforward. But teaching a computer to do it, different thing. Okay, and now I just say focus end. That's elegant. Focus end. Yes, yeah, I think. Test 1, test 2, Test 3. Test 4. Why is it? What is happening? Test 5. Man, this is driving me nuts. Direct query append to a text area fails. Oh, there, it's a known problem. Yay. Not appending after. Yeah, we need to use the val function. That's correct. Ha 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 ha. Okay. ta.val ta.val plus message and okay. If the text isn't empty, then we add another empty line, something like that. Read the docs. Just read the docs. The docs will help you. The documentation will help you. Figure it out. Figure it out. Okay. Why is the empty line here? Okay. Almost there. I want to get rid of these empty lines and then we're good. It's embarrassing, I have to look up JavaScript stuff all the time. And with new line. Ends with. Oh, we have it. Great. Okay. Ends with. Yes. Line 1. Line 2. Line 3. That's better. Much better. Almost perfect. Only this empty line up here, which we will also get rid of now. Text. Wait. If it's not empty and there is no empty. Yes. I believe it's correct. I believe it's correct. I love working code. Working code is good. Working code is good. Okay. I think we should move the stuff out of the title, move it into the body. So we can treat it as a block and not reload it. Oh darn, this is complex. Yeah, difficult stuff. Okay, I'm happy that this kind of works already. This kind of works. This kind of works. Just integrating it is difficult. I mean, we don't want to have every user input appear here, I think, as input to the chatbot, because then it's going to be flooded with these misunderstood things. So there should be some filtering first, and only the proper stuff should be posted here, for example. Yeah, speech recognition is tricky. We'll do something else first. Let's do this one. Adding Python, or rather Jython, which is Python and Java. Right now all the code in Gazelle is written in Java.x, which is my extension of Java. And people have been asking for Python. No idea if anybody's going to actually use Python in the end. But it's an interesting experiment to see if it's possible to integrate Python in my system. This is what the JSON stuff looks like. We'll make an interpreter object. And we need safety, because Gazelle executes code that anybody uploads. Anybody can right now upload JavaX code, and it will be run by the system on the server, which means it has to be very, very secure. And there's two parts of it. One part is to check that the code doesn't do bad things. For example, you can try to upload the code system exit, and the system will say, no, no, no way. Nowadays it actually says unsafe. Yes. Explicitly marked as unsafe. So that's one part of the safety check, and the other thing is that if the code runs too long, it has to time out. Even perfectly safe code can just run too long, and we have to check that. And the way Jython is implemented, it compiles to Java classes. It makes Java classes on the way, and these are not always interruptible. Java itself doesn't have a way to safely interrupt running code. There is thread.interrupt, but it only works when you are in I/O or waiting. If your code is just doing something like calculation here, it tends not to be interruptible. We can use a little trick here, which is calling a function, any function basically. And if you call a function in Jython, it will call a tracer that you can also define, and the tracer can interrupt things. So if we augment our Python code to call any function basically, repeatedly, and we define this break function, we can make the code interruptible. Somewhere I have an example of what compiled Python code looks like. Here. There we are. This is the compilation of the code we had here. For I in range increment j, that should be the same code. And this is the Java bytecode. It's not perfectly optimized. It still loads strings with function names and does some lookups. It's a compilation that's good, but it's not super tightly optimized. What here it's calling the breaker somewhere. Yeah. I was curious to see how it works, this Python to Java translation. It's impressive, and it's sometimes faster than normal Python, sometimes it's not. Yeah, again, I'm not sure how much we actually want Python in the system, but it's an idea to support it. Yeah, also all the bridging and stuff from Java to Python, it's definitely kind of tricky. And are people actually going to use it? Does Python have advantages over JavaX? Only if you know Python, then you're like, okay, yeah, Python is so much easier because that's the language you know. But in the end, JavaX has the same functions or more, and it's going to be more performant, and it's going to be better integrated in the Gazelle system. So there's not exactly a lot of point to add Python. Let's make a post and see if we're ever gonna use it. Test Python script. I don't even know what to use there. What code? Python code. New type. What can you do with strings in Python? String functions. Python. What can we do? Capitalize. Oh, that's great. Where is my window? Yep, that's a nice and safe script. Create. So now we need to check it for safety. We would need something like a proper tokenizer for Python, which I surely don't have. And we can for now use the Java tokenizer. To do so this is the main bot that does all the magic in Gazelle. And we can hack in some Python, why not? Let's make a backup. Python. Oh, that's nice and short. Code safety checker for Python. Is Python code. Still listening to everything, aren't you? Oh, I didn't move the cursor to the end, I think. Did I? I did, I think. Focus end. I tried, but does it work? Does it work now? Hello world. It moves the cursor, but it doesn't scroll? What is that? Let's fix that. What is that? Text area. And scroll. Maybe I just need to do both of these things. Move the cursor and scroll down. Blur focus. No, I don't want to focus. No, sir. Try again. Let's use fewer rows here. Rows. Just 4 rows or whatever. So we can see the scrolling. Listen to me. 1, 2, 3. Are you scrolling? Please scroll. It works, but it focuses. I do not want to focus. Yeah. Because the idea is the speech recognition runs in the background, so the user can click somewhere else. Wait, focus end, okay. Focus end. Okay, let's make a priority here. No focus. No focus. No focus. If not, no focus. No focus. No focus. Focus end. True. No focus. Check. Okay. One, two, three. Test me. Test you. Test this. Oh, finally. Okay. And I think we should leave out the empty line in the end, so we make better use of the space. That is not a problem. Here. One, two, three. Again. Talk to me. What's happening? This looks better. Very good, actually. Unobtrusive speech recognition. Sometimes correct. Yeah, nice. Okay, where were we? We were at the Python thing. Python code. Okay. Python code safety. Code safe Python. I think we can hack this to include to do Python instead. Tokenize or whatever. Tokenize. This, and we initialize differently. Okay. Hey, compile faster. Yes. Python code safety checker. Use the Python tokenizer, even though it's the same one as the Java one for now. Python identifier safety map. No. Yep. Yeah. That's our Python safety checker. Let's add it to the arsenal. There. I get 1 viewer in my stats. I don't know, are you a real viewer? Give me a message in the chat. Is it a bot watching? I don't know. I didn't announce this stream because it's kind of technical. Anyway. So, Python code safety checker. No, need to check result. I think it could work. Time for some German traditional Christmas cake. Waiting for the compile error. My bad. Computer correct, human at fault. It's compiling locally on the notebook. I can hear the fan spinning up. Okay. Now I'm curious. Here, touch post. Let the bot work on it. Okay. Unknown identifiers capitalize. So yeah, we have to manually mark it safe for now. Python identifier safety. It's public. Capitalize is a safe identifier. Try again. What? What? Python identifier safety. Oh, it's empty. What's happening? Python identifier safety. What? Did I misspell something? Identifier safety. What? Oh, come on. Oh, no, I'm sorry. Yeah. I have to mark it safe. Capitalize safe. Okay, this should do the thing. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. This is cool too, by the way. These are arrows that can point between things on the web page. We'll have to integrate that. Here's a post someone made. we will have to have the AI think about it. Okay. Yes, safe. So if the code is safe, we can try to run it in the bot, which is kind of brave. But it's not that bad, actually. We simply use the Jython interpreter and call eval or something. Okay. Python safe code runner. Here's Python code. And is code safe. Almost there. This is the one I think we need. Okay, run function. Yeah. This takes care of the timeout stuff. Python interpreter. Okay. I think this would work. You first compile, then execute. It can probably be done in one step, but doesn't matter. It's doing the same thing. Compile, break function. Okay, and instead of this break function thing. Trace function. Trace function. You simply call the ping function here. Okay. Not needed. That's the trace function. And we just return the result, right? Oh, we cannot return anything. Yeah, there's this distinction between blocks and expressions in Python. So for now we use eval. Yeah, it's like a proof of concept. And we should maybe have a global flag to enable Python or disable it. Do Python. If do Python, or let's do it like this. Python. This one we could just do all the time, but the actual post running should be dependent on the flag. Okay. Huh. Bracket error. Now I'm curious. Oh, look at that. It has actually run the Python code. Wow. That is worth a screenshot. Python. Screenshot made. Yeah, I mean, there's stuff missing. It has to work on, it has to load posts. The Python code should be able to load posts and be able to use in a bot, be able to be used in a chatbot. Not just this calculation on the spot. But it's a proof of concept. We have some Python in there. What was the next thing? Add music, yeah. In other words, add YouTube embeds to Gazelle. It's the same thing as with the speech recognition. It should be on every page and it should stay on the page when you change pages. So we have to go back to this trickery thing, which is reloading a page in JavaScript. Why not? Let's give it a shot. Man, that's pretty cool. My first Python script in Gazelle. That's pretty amazing. Capitalize. This is something the AI can think about in due time. Where was my Stack Overflow post? We can get rid of this. Free some memory. Memory was in the negative. Minus 342 megabytes. Now we have plus. Free space. I did not say that. You have to speak very clearly for AI to understand you. AI to understand you. Okay, so this here. Yeah, nobody's really interested in this question. Somebody gave it a thumbs up, but 15 views is not the world, and no answers. So. At least I'm allowed to ask questions again on Stack Overflow. I had criticized the rules and was banned for 6 months and then another 6 months or so. It's like Stasi. Stack Overflow is so crazy. It's the best we have, but it's not very good socially in some ways. The excessive downvoting, it's kind of weird. Maybe it has gotten better lately, I don't know. Everything that was not a valid question was like, you got punched in the face for every badly asked question, virtually. Anyway, bad topic. So I want to have links that feel just like a normal link on a page. Any of these links here. But it should be done in JavaScript and things should be kept. It's not called chatbot, apparently it's not. Yeah, no, I don't. Yeah. Thinking time. This is actually done, that's good. Yeah. What's happening here? Oh. So 2 things. We prevent the chatbot from being added again. Although if it was smart, it would just not do anything. Yeah, that seems pretty smart. we changed the chatbot script. So it is okay. So it doesn't mind being loaded again. That's step one. How about this? JavaScript check if function defined. Fix this. Type off, right? Oh, not undefined, okay. Can we say return in the script? Don't load again if already loaded. Let's try. No, we cannot. Return not in function. JavaScript return not in function. JavaScript return from script. I think we just make an if and else. If not already loaded. Okay. That should do it. Yes, it does. That's good. So now we can load it as many times as we like. It doesn't hurt. So next thing, we simply keep the chatbot. The whole chatbot is in a thing called diff class. We have to keep this one and we have to keep that one. Keep things when changing pages. Keep things. Okay. turn links into JavaScript magic. So we want to get every link. Every link on the page. Does it work like this? Select all links. Okay, yes. Exactly. jQuery link replace on click. Ah, yeah, we can replace the whole thing. If there's an on click, we don't really want it. Yeah, okay, it's complicated. Okay, let's do the simple stuff first. Click function. Click. Does it work? I don't know. Oh, and we need to return false. Boom. I want to show this as part of the whole frame of the page. How long have I been streaming? The other monitor is so far away, I can't see how long it was. It's like 3 meters away. 4. For reasons. Anyway, yes. HTML. Okay. Okay. Here. HTML embed. Serve post. Yeah. Let's do something simple. Mm-hmm. Uh-huh. Mm. Mm. Let's see. It takes a moment to compile this. It's also on the local machine. Down here you can see it's very active. Almost completely used. Okay, no compiling on the server, and that was it. HTML embedded, okay. Show. Okay, it's something in my JavaScript. I can live with that. Formal parameter missing? Is this maybe wrong? I'm such a noob in JavaScript. Still. I am still a noob. So we, wait, what? jQuery event handler this. And how does it work? Yes. Okay, I think I just need to remove this parameter. Okay. Edit. I'm actually quite good at JavaScript now. Just some things are still rough. Show me. Okay, it's compiling. What happens if I click somewhere? Oh, holy moly, yes. It does the magic reload? Oh my lord, yes. Okay, XML requests in the main thread. Oh, because I'm in the event handler? I don't get it though. I do the request and I exit the function. Should be okay. Oh, now I cannot. Okay, interesting. I can't press the back button because I have simulated the page change. And the URL doesn't change either. So I actually see the new page I clicked on. The chatbot keeps appearing. It's pretty cool, actually. So next we should actually change the URL up there. Change URL. Yes. Oh, it's window history push state. And document title also? I'm not sure about that. Wait. Okay, I put in the new URL. That's clear. Title is ignored. And state, what is state? Okay, we are storing something that the web application can use. So we can simply put in nothing, I'm sure. Yeah, put state empty. Yeah, this is all we need here. Okay. Okay. I think it might work. Let's do some comments. Remove everything except for things we want to keep. Prepend new things on target page. Add history entry. Modify URL. Does it give us the back button? I think it does. What's happening here? Are we offline? No, but the web server is not responding. What? Machine is running? Oh, something happening. Not connected? What's happening? I don't know. It's working now. Okay, I click on latest posts. Oh, we get a new URL. We don't get the new title, but we can say back and it doesn't do anything. So there's a back button, but it doesn't work now. Aye, okay. This is trickier than assumed. Okay, first the title. Document title. So we basically look for the title in the thing. Title. Let's try. Okay, latest posts. Okay, there's a too much encoding going on. JavaScript decode entities. Oh, so it's difficult. Decode entities. Do I have it? Nope. So it needs a library. Wow. That's kind of annoying. For something stupid like setting the title, we need to include another library. That's stupid. There are these little tricks, but they don't seem very safe. Oh, here, DOM parser. That could be useful anyway for parsing HTML. That's great. Let's try that one. That looks really good. Yes, there's the proper title. Okay, now for the back button. Okay. Story, push state, back button, not working. Okay. Either on the back button we just reload, but yeah. This is tricky. Okay, on pop state, which is the back button event, we do some stuff. Basically, we can reload the original page, right? We are turning the whole website into a single page app, basically. And it's really causing some problems. Maybe we do need a frame set. Really ugly, but a lot simpler.